Welcome! I showed you this plant about a week ago. It's Caralluma burchardii. And then it had one flower, and the flower is here on this side of the pot. Here is the flower. And it had a cluster of flower buds. And I told you that I was afraid that the flower buds might not open, that they would fall, because the other flower was in a cluster of flower buds before. And here they are. They opened. Look how beautiful they are. They might be not big, but certainly they are gorgeous. Let's look at them from a little bit closer. Look at their beauty. Caralluma burchardii is a plant that belongs to the Stapeliads group of plants. Stapeliads can have flowers the size of a saucer, for example, Stapeliad gigantea, but they can be small, like this one. Doesn't mean that they are less pretty, that doesn't mean that they are less beautiful. The color is not really very bright. The color is not something that is important for that flower, because they don't attract their pollinator, the flies, by the color. They smell, and the smell is resembling rotting meat, because they are pollinated by flies. Just like every plant, just like every living organism, this plant is perfectly adapted to its environment. This plant is perfectly adapted to be pollinated by its pollinators, and the flowers are adapted to attract the pollinator. And these flowers have found their own way to attract their pollinators. I'm really happy this plant finally opened, and this plant finally showed its beauty. I was very worried about it, because like I said last week, the plant had flower buds in the spring. All the flower buds fell, and finally the cluster of flowers appeared and is here. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like my plant. I like it a lot. Have a great afternoon.